7 AI tools that every real estate agent needs to be using. If you're a real estate agent right now and you're not using AI tools, I can promise you that you're going to be left behind. What better of a unique value proposition that you can give to your clients as being an agent that's trained in artificial intelligence? That can be the difference between you actually getting the listing between it going to your competition. So you're going to want to watch this video in full so you can learn what are going to be the best AI tools for you to elevate your business. I've personally seen massive gains in my business as a real estate agent from using artificial intelligence, and I just need to spread this with everyone else. Literally, people don't understand how hard we work, how much time we spend as real estate agents trying to get our sales and trying to increase our revenue, when in times like now when the market's not doing so well, our sales decrease but our overhead costs are still the same. But here's where AI solves that problem. So my personal business, not only have I been able to get rid of over $40,000 in extra expenses each year from using some of these AI tools, it's also added over $100,000 in new business to our team just adopting them. So if you're someone that wants to learn how to elevate your real estate business using artificial intelligence, well, then you're going to want to go to the description and sign up for my course. It's going to be a game changer, and it's going to ensure that your sales increase as everyone else's is decreasing as we're in a softer market. The first tool, and this one holds a special place in my heart because it's allowed me to produce 52,000% more content from just using it, and that is ChatGPT. It used to take me an entire week to do YouTube video scripts and tons of research, and with me being a busy real estate agent running my team and doing a shit ton of deals, it was really hard to keep up with doing YouTube. Until I found ChatGPT. So it actually solved the problem with helping me write scripts and researching what I would want to talk about in order to deliver on my YouTube each and every week. And the best part now is since I've started using artificial intelligence with my content generation, I've been getting more and more leads. So my Calendly account that's linked to my YouTube is booked solid with people booking calls for me because I'm making tailored videos specifically exactly to what people in my niche are looking for. That's because I trained it on ChatGPT to target that audience, and it's making more specific content and better content than I was personally. Yes, I got to go in and iterate and fact check it, but this now takes me literally no time in order to make a YouTube script using ChatGPT, where it used to take me an entire week to execute on this. So if you're someone that wants to learn exactly how I've transformed my content using artificial intelligence, well, go in the description and sign up for my course. The next game-changing tool is going to be OpusClip. And this is something that can produce 7 short-form videos for you from one single video link. So for me personally, how I use it is I upload my long-form YouTube into this application and it spits me out 7 videos, hitting them in the best hooks and a virality score on what's going to be the best for Instagram and YouTube Shorts. And then the best part, in my opinion, is I can schedule these videos with the written titles and captions that OpusClip tells me to do instantly on the web browser. So no longer am I having to download stuff, write information, do this, do that in order to repurpose some of my content. I can do this instantly on this application here, OpusClip. The next one is going to be for all the people that struggle giving a direct message and feeling like they can't speak without actually having a script. And I've tried a few different teleprompters. I've tried looking at my computer, I've tried doing this and that, but this one has been a major pain point solver, and that's Big View TV. It's an AI powered teleprompter that will help you create better content. The next one's going to be Alright AI. So what I teach you in the course is your foundation should be making YouTube videos and then repurposing all that from that. You're now able with this AI application to use your YouTube and make it into blog posts. So you want to start getting your website to organically rank and not having to do paid traffic and do SEO. This is a problem solver where it can reformat all your YouTube videos into blog posts, and so you can rank higher on Google. The next one to go in line with the blog post is going to be undetectable. So a lot of people give backlash that Google's algorithms and people can just tell that it's written by AI. If you use undetectable and create these blog posts, it now writes it in human format and cannot get detected by any of those AI detection platforms that are out there to see if it was written by AI. And if you're someone that wants to get on the leading edge and wants to learn exactly how AI has added over $100,000 to my personal business and cut down on my expenses, Well, go to the description. You're going to want to take my AI course for real estate agents. It's going to be a game changer for you and have your sales increase while the market's going down. The next AI tool is actually going to be a plugin for ChatGPT, and that is going to be the web chat, what gives it web access there. So like I was saying at the start with my YouTube videos, I like to do a lot of research on the Canadian economy, how things are performing. I can now type in how the Canadian economy is performing. It's going to pull all the most recent information from the internet, compile it into a YouTube script for me, plus give me the links at the bottom so I can reference check that all the information is accurate and up to date. This is probably where it has saved me the most amount of time. I love to give really data driven information on my YouTube channel to people. So this has given me access to that. Instead of it taking me the entire week to research it, I can do it instantly right in ChatGPT. The next one is going to be Midjourney. So I personally use this for all my Facebook ad picture generation, where it used to take me weeks, literally weeks, to find the right picture that I wanted to use on my Facebook ads. I now use Midjourney. I prompt it and it spits me out these amazing images in less than a minute that I can use for my advertising. So instead of taking me weeks to do Facebook ads and find the right images, I can now create these in less than 10 minutes. And I also use ChatGPT to write all my Facebook ads copy. So that used to take me a whole entire week just to decide what was going to write, what's going to be a good hook. So combining these two has led to my Facebook ads returning a 10 to 1. So every $1,000 that I spend in ads, I'm making $10,000 return in the amount of commission that I'm getting from these Facebook ads that I all generated through artificial intelligence, did the entire ads for me, told me what to do, and it's been absolutely massive, running the ads better than what I used to do, spending all this time in research. So if you're someone that wants to learn how to level up your business using AI for Facebook ads and using Midjourney to create those images for you, I show you step by step how to do that in my AI course for real estate agents. Go in the description. You're going to want to sign up today so you can start taking advantage of this massive potential inside there.